Sleeper dude. Excuse me. Welcome back to carburetorsandsmore.com. 832-221-4007. I know it's probably almost Vania sausage time by the time you see this, because it's almost dinner time for me here where I'm at. So I did want to tell you, I'm going to put your fuel line back on there, but that bugger's tiny. This here's a 1/2 inch with the same threads. So this one's mine. I'll send you one in the box in case you want to use a bigger fuel line for it. There's also this is a vent, doesn't do anything. This here works, and then there's a air deal here in the back that you screw in or out, and all it does is suck more air in there. It sucks. I got your electric choke put on here for you. Everything's set. Good look. It's just, believe it or not, that is the same carburetor that you sent me. So here we go. And the dyno is turned off right now. Now listen to this thing, and she squirts just like she's supposed to. Let's see. Yeah, dyno's off. Listen to this. That's idling right there at about 700. That's at about 400. So the vacuum is working at about 25. You saw that flapping up and down. That's the back barrel's working. Now we're going to turn the dyno on. Here we go. Shut her off. This has no idle circuit, idle mixture screw here. It's got some blocks off over here that stops it. So I'll do it again just to show you. So, sir, thank you for letting me work on your crew cab Thunderbird carburetor. What a lot of fun. All right, man. Sleeper dude, this is carburetorsandsmore.com. Folks, our phone number is 832-221-4007.